Well, 7 years ago, 5 guys from different engineering backgrounds came together to develop a new way of generating power. Well, fast forward to November 2010, and they've come up with Africa's first carbon-neutral power station. Well, our crew attended the official unveiling.
It's small, compact, and it could change the future. This is the fruit of the labor of Ecofuels, a renewable energy company. It was started by 6 engineering guys 7 years ago. Today, it stands on the threshold of possibility. Marcel Steinberg is one of those founders and is now the managing director. These guys have come up with Africa's first carbon-neutral power station. Believe it or not, it harnesses energy from nutshells.
In a nutshell, we take carbonaceous matter, put it through a process, a thermal process called pyrolysis, extract the energy from the gases created and run an engine on it.
It all starts with waste. In this case, macadamia nutshells. These nuts are put into the incinerator and heated up to 1,100 degrees. They release a synthetic gas. This gas is cooled down with water and later turned to electricity. It creates 120 kilowatts per hour of electricity, enough to power a small housing complex. The creators say the environment has a seat in their boardroom.
We see a different future. So we see a future where people are creating more responsibly, where capital is more conscious, and where people are asking for different things. I think the world's needs have changed. I think that people almost want to say the rape and plunder model of the past is coming to an end, and we see that future and we believe in that future. So our ideas manifest in the technologies that we create.
South Africa's power shortage is no secret. The pressure is on to find renewable energy sources. But in the face of huge power shortages, is this merely a drop in the ocean?
I can tell you that our current project pipeline probably doesn't even constitute 1% of Eskom's total generation capacity. So if we do our job well, maybe over the next 10 years we'll get to 10% if we're lucky. But I think that it's not really about tackling the generator. What we're saying is in this technology, the environment's the real winner. So maybe it's rather about partnering with the monopoly and saying to them, hold on, there's another way of doing this, you know.
80% of Ecofuels' pipeline was funded by Nedbank. The bank also leveraged the carbon credits to pay for the technology.
We saw an opportunity very, very early, an exciting opportunity, an opportunity that was imaginative, creative, and had clear mileage in it to achieve great things. We were excited by the ability to generate carbon-free or carbon-negative power, and that was key to our engagement.
So, a school, a village, a town, or a mine off the electricity grid. They are now working on a mega plant in South Africa, which will produce 2.5 megawatts per hour of electricity.
We see a big rollout of decentralized power. We see a rollout into the corporate South African space, and we see a significant contribution to both a reduction in carbon footprint while making good commercial money and a solid banking case.
So, in a nutshell, 6 guys took a small step towards the future. Small, but important step.
After the break, we look at trade secrets with Frank Jaffe and an innovation that allows you to make calls for free. We'll see you after this.